Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Switch. Many players wonder if Roblox is officially available on the Nintendo Switch, but as of now, there is no dedicated app on the eShop. However, don't worry. We'll explore two clever workarounds that allow you to enjoy Roblox using your Switch hardware or by connecting your Joy-Cons to another device. These methods can help you dive into the vast world of user-created games. One way to access Roblox is by using your Switch's built-in web browser, though it's not a direct app. First, go to your system settings, then Internet settings, and select your Wi-Fi network. Change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. For the primary DNS, input 045.055.142.122. After saving, try connecting. This should lead you to a special DNS page where you can find a link to roblox.com. Another excellent method involves using your Joy-Cons with a mobile device. This provides a console-like experience for Roblox Mobile. Start by opening the Bluetooth settings on your phone or tablet. Then, take one of your Joy-Cons and press the small pairing button on its side until the lights begin to blink. Your device should then detect the Joy-Con, allowing you to select and connect it. Once paired, launch Roblox on your mobile device and enjoy playing with physical controls. It's important to remember that these methods are unofficial workarounds. Performance might not be as smooth as on officially supported platforms like PC or mobile. After using the DNS method, always switch your DNS settings back to automatic for normal internet use. While many hope for an official Roblox app on Switch, there's no confirmed release date yet. For the most reliable and feature-rich experience, consider playing Roblox on a device with native support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.